So yeah, you were kind of getting into, efficiencies, and time is definitely money, especially in the grow industry. So can you talk a little bit about your professional background up to the point of where you started Canna Innovation?
Absolutely. So I graduated from West Texas A&M up around Amarillo, Texas, and my degree was in engineering technology. And I also have my MBA, so I've got the business mindset. And from there, I went to work for Texas Instruments in their plastics non-metallics department, and we were focused on defense products. And then moved into the silicon wafer business within Texas Instruments, and then that spun off to a joint venture. And so I spent a lot of time in the silicon wafer business, and that is a extremely cost sensitive environment. It is a commodity, right? That's the raw material that's used by computer chip makers, the Intels and the Texas Instruments of the world. And so we were always battling cost, and essentially that's what's happening now in the cannabis world. Is everybody's got to figure out how to reduce their cost to survive, because everybody's enduring this price compression issues that we're seeing. Not only in Oklahoma, it's happening across the U.S. and even in Canada. You're seeing companies that are folding because of excess supply and not able to get their cost. So that's I spent time in the silicon wafer business, and then I came back to Oklahoma and was in the defense industry, and we built the world's most sensitive explosives detector, handheld explosive detector used in Iraq and Afghanistan. And so during that time, I started working really hard with a consultant in lean manufacturing and brought them in and helped us out. And from there, I took the wand, if you will, and ran with lean manufacturing in our operation there in Stillwater, Oklahoma. And then as a result, I was promoted into a corporate position within a public company called FLIR Systems. And I ended up traveling about 60% of the time. I had like 18 different manufacturing sites across 5 countries. And so spent a lot of time on the road and doing this lean manufacturing and efficiency consulting to help drive out cost and improve efficiency. So been an exciting time, and been able to take that same mindset and education understanding into the cannabis world. And there's really not a lot of people focusing in efficiency right now and really specializing in that. And so we bring that from a consulting perspective, and we also bring it from a product perspective.
Nice. Yeah. As the I guess legal barriers to cannabis have fallen, it's a plant after all, and plants are basically commodities. So that's makes sense that businesses are going to have to increase their efficiencies in order to maximize their profits. And really, that's kind of the whole point of business, is making money. So
work smarter, not harder with Canna Innovations.